In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut Pro not showing after purchase. Intro. Now, first things first, make sure that you are signed into the exact same CapCut account and using the same login method you used when you purchased Pro. For example, signing in with Google instead of TikTok or Apple can open up a different CapCut account, even if the accounts use similar information. Also, completely close out of CapCut, reopen it, and sign back in to refresh your subscription status. And if you purchase Pro on an iPhone, what you're going to want to do is back out and open up your settings. Select your name up at the very top, and then go ahead and select subscriptions on here. Sometimes you have to open up payment and shipping first and then subscriptions, and just make sure it's on there. If you're on an Android, open up the Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture, then hit payments, subscriptions, and check CapCut. And then of course, you could also update CapCut to the latest version since older versions may not properly recognize newer Pro subscription. If your subscription shows as active but CapCut still says you're a free user, contact CapCut support immediately and provide a purchase receipt so that they can verify and activate that subscription. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.